ഈ ബുക്കിൻ്റെ പേര് 108 ഇൻസ്പിറേഷൻ തോട്ട്സ്. ലൈഫ് എംപവർമെൻറ്റ് ആൻഡ് എൻറിച്ച്മെൻറ്റ് പ്രോഗ്രാം സ്കൂളിലെ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസത്തിൽ അങ്ങേയറ്റം അനുയോജ്യമായ ഒരു ബുക്കാണ്. സാവകാശം വായിക്കുക, പിടിക്കായി വരിക. Master's degree, and she will be one of the inspiration for all the new generation. രോഹിത നമ്മുടെ കൊച്ചുമോനെ കൊടുക്കുക, നല്ല വായിക്കാൻ പറയണം പലപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും.
നമ്മുടെ കൊച്ചുകുട്ടികളെ അവർ ഓരോ സ്കൂളിൽ നിന്നും പാസ്സാകുമ്പോൾ, മിഡിൽ സ്കൂൾ, ഹൈസ്കൂൾ ഓർ കോളേജ്, നമ്മൾ യൂഷ്വലി അവരെ അപ്രീഷിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. നമ്മുടെ വകയായിട്ട് NSGPയുടെ വകയായിട്ട് അവർക്കൊരു എൻകറേജ്മെൻറ്റ് കൊടുക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഉദ്ദേശം. നിരഞ്ജൻ നായർ ഈസ് സൺ ഓഫ് ഹരികൃഷ്ണൻ നായർ and അഞ്ജു നായർ. He is promoted to middle school and he received first place in math Kangaroo national competition, and he is also a chess player, and he has Pennsylvania state chess under 600 first place. Mohan Kumar ആണ്, the son of Rohit Vijay Kumar and Sunita Kurup. He is also promoted from elementary school to middle school. Shreya Sudeep ആണ്. Shreya Sudeep actually promoted from middle school to high school. And Shreya is daughter of Sudeep Nair and Renju Ravindran. Akshay Nair, he is son of Biju Nair and Maya Nair. He has actually earned a bachelor's degree in computer science from Widener University, and he has been member of Dean's List for his junior and second year here. Currently, he is working as a computer scientist at Naval Surface Warfare Center of Philadelphia Division. നമുക്ക് ആരതി പിള്ളൈ is daughter of Ramachandran Pillai and Srikala Pillai. She is earned a Master of Science in Interdisciplinary Health Sciences, Biomedical and Pharmacological Principle concentration from Drexel University. Congrats, Arathi. Ganesh Selvakumar, he is son of Selvakumar and Asha, it's me. So Ganesh earned a bachelor's degree in engineering science with a concentration in mechanical engineering from University of Pittsburgh. He was in honors college and was in Dean's List. Currently Ganesh is pursuing MS in mechanical engineering with concentration on robotics. Ganesh is not here. He just started his master's program. Diya Vimal Kumar. So he's actually a junior scientist. She successfully got several awards. So science fair in high school level 3rd place, Chester County Science Fair 1st place, Delaware Valley Science Fair honorable mention, and PJS regional and state level. Congrats, Diya, for all her achievements. So these families, I think they are going to become scientists. So we had Vimal Kumar. So he also achieved some science fair school level award, 1st place from school level, and also Chester County Science Fair high honors. So we have some other extraordinary artists in our group. So we have Apinu Nair. He achieved KHNA Youth Festival solo song 3rd prize. Avantika Anil. So she achieved 2nd prize junior category for Geeta chanting. And also Advait Anil. So he received 3rd prize sub junior Geeta chanting. So all of you, a big congrats.